Why are you always tired, even after sleeping? It's the great exhaustion, that invisible weight pressing down on your chest. The grind culture that's got you knackered from dawn to dusk, financial stress whispering in your ear, you'll never get ahead. Social media perfectionism making you chase shadows. Past failures haunting your nights, turning rest into restless torment. Let me tell you a story. There was a guy like you. Let's call him Alex. Alex worked 50-hour weeks in a high-pressure office job. Every morning he woke up feeling like he'd been hit by a truck. Bills piling up, relationships straining under the weight of his burnout. He scrolled through Instagram, seeing everyone's perfect lives, and felt even more defeated. Why bother, he'd think. The exhaustion wasn't just physical, it was mental, emotional, a deep fatigue that no amount of sleep could fix. One day Alex hit rock bottom. He stared at his reflection, hollow eyes, slumped shoulders, a shell of his former self. But in that moment a spark ignited. He remembered his grandfather's words. Life ain't about hustling non-stop, it's about choosing your battles. Alex decided to rebel against the grind. He embraced slow living, starting with small steps. Turning off notifications, saying no to extra work, walking in the park without his phone. He let go of perfection, accepted his past mistakes as lessons, not chains. Slowly the fog lifted. He focused on real action, not artificial motivation from endless videos. He built resilience by prioritizing rest, self-care and meaningful connections. No more survival mode. He started living in the present, not chasing tomorrow's ghost. You see, exhaustion isn't just tiredness, it's the burnout from trying to do it all. But here's the truth, you can break the cycle, stop the hustle, choose cocoon. Let go of the past burdens, focus on today. You're stronger than this fatigue, rise from it. You're not broken, you're unbreakable. Still standing. Subscribe for more real motivation. Let's beat the exhaustion together.